My dear students, this is Subroto Kumar Roy, guest lecturer from Muktir Shikha College of Education. So you are out there at home, spending your time with your family members, friends at home. So during this time, as we know that most of the people around the world are suffering from COVID-19. So don't worry, this is happening, but somehow the people are recovering also side by side. So before starting my chapter, I would like to share my thought with you right here, right now. Today, where the whole world is suffering from a terrible disease, there is no need to fear youngster like us and you. First of all, you and all the countrymen have to keep the mind steady. There are two types of thinking: negative thinking and positive thinking. So you people, do not go with the negative thinking. You people have to follow the positive thinking, and positive thinking will take you forward and towards new directions in future. We should not think that our lives have stopped. So let's make a promise with all zeal and with mind. The people of whole world trying their best to recover from their disease and doing help everyone as they can do. We will protect this mankind, help each other and never back down. Right education and knowledge will lead us from where we can conquer our side. So, without wasting any time, we will start our chapter, because most of the students are suffering. They are not having their proper classes in institutions and colleges. So for that, this is my little endeavor to reach sort of information and the chapter description to them, so that they can use and they can listen and they can do something from their home. So once again, my dear students, don't try to be panic at home, don't try to be panic outside. So be very courageous, and this is how you can overcome, and all the people around the world can overcome from this disease. Okay, now my dear students, let we start our class. So this is the class for DLED first year students, yet their exams have not been done yet. I would like to give you a right suggestion. Before starting the class, you should check your syllabus properly, because you need to know before attempting the questions in your examination what type of questions will be there. MCQ, very short answering types, essay types questions. So each MCQ questions will carry 20 marks in total. Number 2, very short answering types of questions will carry 10 marks out of 12. Second is done. Now third, short answering types of questions, you need to attempt 2 out of 3. And the last, number 4, there will be essay type of questions, you need to attempt only 1 out of 2. So here I am going to take the second language. The code is CPS2. As per the students' request, I am going to teach you today distinguish between approach and method.